All right, welcome everybody to RDR Sports Cards. It is Sunday, September the 27th, 2015. I hope everyone's having a good football Sunday. We're going to kick it off today with a 2015 Topps Triple Threads break for Tailgater. Let's get it going. Let's see what we can pull. This product is pretty neat. Put a few boxes here as well. Like the look of it a lot. Any particular players you're hunting after, or we'll go one? All right. Go ahead and move this over here. Right there, empty box. And we'll start with the first one. No video? Video should be up and running. Do you have a commercial? We are simulcasting on Ustream as well. Did he get disconnected? I'll hold up here. We are still recording on Ustream though. Video. Can you guys still see? Okay. We'll wait for Tailgater. Looks like he's just coming back in the room, so we're still recording on Ustream though, so we got a record. Yeah, Tailgater lost video and then dropped out of the room. Oh, okay. But everyone else still sees it, and so I'm recording on Ustream, so we still have the video record.
Oh yeah.
But JM says he didn't miss anything, so
yes. Come here. Come here, Ernie. Come here.
Okay. Cool. And by the way, we record all of our videos, since I know you're a new customer to RDR. We record all of our videos on Ustream, and then we post them up to YouTube. So you have a continuous record in case, because Breakers is, can be fluky, so can have issues. But anyway, if you were back, we're going to get rolling here. Empty. I'll take those two. All right, first up, base card, Carlos Gomez for the Milwaukee Brew Crew. Carlos Gomez. Next up, Carlos Correa. Carlos Correa for the Houston Astros. Nice base card. Next up, this guy's incredible, Mike Trout.
Mr. Trout.
Mike Trout for the Los Angeles Angels. Base card. Let me see if we get some focus. There we go. All right, and our first parallel is Honus Wagner. Honus Wagner, number 75 out of 125.
He even looks old in that picture.
Yeah. Honus Wagner. Nice parallel card. No focus there. Regular sleeve, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Saw this guy pitch. Chris Archer for the Tampa Bay Rays. Parallel, number 123 out of 354. Chris Archer for the Tampa Bay Rays. All right. Our first hit Shane Green for the Detroit Tigers, number 36. I think it's 36 out of 99. No, maybe it's 34. No, 36. 36 out of 99. Shane Green. Nice patch auto. All right. Next. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Really nice card.
A boom.
This is a really nice
You
boom.
are going to love this box of cards, and we haven't even opened the second pack yet.
Wow. 2 out of 3. Mike Trout. War Trout.
Wow.
Wow, really, really nice. I wish it had some ink on it, but
I'm going to put that in a one-touch for you.
yeah, that's a really nice hit there. 2 out of 3. War Trout.
Nice.
Really, really nice. Amy's going to go ahead and put that one in a nice one-touch for you. Nice card. Well, that was box number 1 there. They're all in the, yeah. It's a good start.
Yeah, we need to go through here and sort this, don't we?
Super sweet.
That's a beauty.
Empty
3.
box.
Oh.
Yeah, 2 out of 3. Wow. Super sweet. All right, next pack. Let's keep the keep it going here.
We need to get bigger. What a good box.
That's a good start.
It's almost like
No
cards
peeking.
on that
All right. Base card, Ozzie Smith for the St. Louis Cardinals. Ozzie Smith. All right. Oh, nice little base card here. Chris Bryant for the Chicago Cubs. Chris Bryant base card. Get some focus there.
KB.
There you go. All right. It's one of the studs for the Cleveland roster. For the Cleveland Indians, Michael Brantley. Michael Brantley. Base card there. And next up, the parallel. Nice. David Ortiz, Big Poppy, 28 out of 99 for the Boston Red Sox. David Ortiz, parallel. That one sleeved up. Next parallel, Barry Larkin. Barry Larkin, 116 out of 250. Nice parallel for the Cincinnati Reds. Wow, the next card.
I know. This box is epic.
This box is really good.
I'm so freaking jealous.
Are you kidding me? Wow.
This is an epic box.
Bryce Harper, 8 out of 9. Eat right. That's the gold. Wow. Bryce Harper.
I'm going to get another one touch.
Get another one touch. That's really sweet. Bryce Harper for the Washington Nationals.
Wow, I'm seriously
Auto.
going to take pictures
Eat right.
and say that these both came out of the same.
I can't. That's
freaking box.
that's awesome. And finally, Jared Saltalamacchia, the longest name in the major leagues. Saltalamacchia, 12 out of 18, single color patch. Saltalamacchia. Yes, did I say Saltalamacchia? Saltalamacchia.
Look at that. Did you see that patch right there?
That's sweet. That's
It's got
super
the
sweet.
stars from the national.
Jared Saltalamacchia. Sorry about that. Butchered that. Anyway, so that was a sweet break.
Oh my
Wow.
gosh,
Let me
epic.
show those off again. God, that is really
I can't
sweet.
believe those were in the same
Out of the
box.
same box.
That is freaking awesome. Thank you, Tailgater. We love opening boxes like that for our customers.
Great, great box. All right, I'm going to save your video and get it uploaded to YouTube. Thank you so much.
I've got to tweet that out.